It's always good to see good comments from community members that are using the bots and they are working for them. So you can see, like this gentleman here, I tested your bot and it's working fine. Okay, then of course I replied to him. So it's encouraging. Whenever I see such kind of responses, I continue pushing out content that will help beginner derivative traders. So today we are going to look at Volatility 75. Okay, Volatility 75 is very common for people who use the Deriv MetaTrader 5, this platform, for the rise and fall. It's a very good volatility to trade on the MetaTrader 5 platform because of the nano lot size. You can see here 0.001. These three last digits enable you to enter trades with minimal stakes, let's say even $1 on the MT5. Okay, we are however not going to trade on the MT5 today. I have videos on trading on MT5. If you look at, or if you search for MetaTrader 5, you will see strategies that I have on this site, on this YouTube channel, showing how you can trade on the MetaTrader 5, even including opening an account, a Deriv account on your MT5. Okay guys, so I think I'll link that video in the last part of this video. If you're interested in MT5, it's also a very good platform. You can see that video and then continue. Okay, let's get back to what we want to trade today. We are trading Volatility 75, and I highly recommend that if you're doing rise and fall, center on maybe that volatility. It's very okay, it's good. So we come to bots, select the Alpha version 2025, and then let's set Volatility 75 index. Come to trade type and adjust to up and down, that is rise and fall. And then under block 4, just scroll down slowly, and here where it is written 1, reduce it to 0.5. that is a Martingale factor, so that at least you can preserve your capital and then collapse that block, okay, to have a neat working space. Now once you do that, you can see I have a balance of 332. I will be staking with a good entry. Let's try and see we can make $150. No, I mean that is a stop loss. Let's keep it at around $200, and then target profit, let's see whether we can make $150. And then all I need to do, or all you need to do, is now again just cross to the next tab here, charts. Volatility 75 is here. We are using candlesticks, and then add 2 indicators, the Bollinger Bands, that one, and then also add the MACD. Okay, the MACD. Okay, so now I had explained in the previous video, just after this one, about the Bollinger Bands. Very quick brief on how it works. You can see there are 2 lines here, 3 lines. These are the bands. Okay, you can see the center one and the candlestick forming above it. Okay, so once it crosses the center one and candlesticks start forming above that, it means that that market is bullish or rising. Okay, if it goes below, the candlesticks form below that middle band, it shows that the market is falling. To reconfirm, you come to your MACD, and if you see a crossover like this, it means that market is on a rising trend. Okay, so all you need to do now is come back to the board builder here, adjust, let's take rise. Okay, and then come back to charts. You can always change the theme here. You can have white or dark theme. Okay, and have white or dark theme. Okay guys, so once you've done that, now we are entering for a rising trade, and then you want to probably, maybe you can see like that candlestick is red, and it's extending. The next candlestick has formed. Now you can enter the market with the next candlestick, just to get good conditions to run your bot. Okay, so you can see when our first trade is a win. If losses come, the martingale level, you will see we've reduced it to 0.5, and of course it will recover. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. We've entered the market precisely, and you can see, okay, there we've taken a loss. Of course you will see a martingale that will not be that high, 75, and we are at $140 profit. The losses should never scare you. As long as you already entered the market and you know where the market is heading to, you should be able to achieve profits like that. Okay, so we've quickly, easily made $150. And if you're a beginner, this is a lesson, a tutorial, very simple to follow. Just follow the instructions I have provided. Practice. Once you practice, you will notice that you will start getting better, and you can now enter the market and make similar profits. Okay guys, do not overtrade. If your target was $150 for the day, call it a day, wait for the next day, and then analyze the market, enter the market, then you are out. Okay, if you're using my site here, always remember to clear browsing cache or cache by clicking these three dots here, and then you can be able to clear the browsing data. Okay, once you click that, you come here to where is this, delete browsing data here, and then you can now refresh everything. Okay, you can refresh everything, your cookies and other site data you can clear, and then proceed on to trade. Okay guys, so you've seen we've managed to earn $153. Good analysis. We are only using 2 indicators to enable us enter the market. Key things: make sure to take trades once either the candlesticks are forming above or below the middle Bollinger Band, and then make sure to take note of a crossover. Okay, this one will indicate to you that yes, there's a confirmation that market is going up. Okay guys, then under the board builder, I have said open this block number 4, scroll down, reduce the martingale factor here to 0.5 so that it does not do high martingales. And then the rest is as easy. You can now set your stake here, your target profit, and your stop loss. Okay guys, and then you run the bot. Practice before you enter the real account, so that at least you have those settings nicely and you've seen how to enter the market using this chart and those 2 indicators. The advantage of using this site is that your run button is just on the right side here, and you can see everything on one dashboard like this. Okay, you can even enter the market just by observing what is happening. Looking at the candlesticks, you'll be able to know you can either rise or fall. Okay, but let the indicators guide you. Okay, you will not go wrong with that. Okay guys, so to access the site, the link is below the video. There's a link tree there. I'll leave 2 links, one to bring you direct to this site, and then the other one you can also see my other resources, but both links can direct you to this site. Okay guys, so remember to like the video, remember to comment, remember to join the WhatsApp group and Telegram groups that is in the link tree below, and then from there just keep practicing, do not give up, and then like I mentioned before, try as much as possible to save the capital that you have. Do not enter the market with $5 or $10. It is possible you can grow it very slowly, but then again you are risking too much, because you've seen the bots have got martingales. Okay, if it loses, it goes back and picks a chunk of money, brings it back and stakes. So you want to at least have $50 or $100. So accumulate what you have, $5, $10, keep it on the side, Spend your time practicing, looking at the charts, looking at how that volatility index behaves. If you take a trade at this point, what will happen? Use the basis of my videos, they will guide you. You should be able to withdraw money from Deriv if you have never withdrawn any money. Okay, then again, always remember, trading is risky. Trade with amounts that if you lose, you are still okay. Okay, it's a risky affair, and you must always risk to get something. So psychologically, be prepared. It does not mean that you will always lose. Once you start getting a hang of it, once you start knowing how to use the strategies, you will start seeing yourself now accustomed and getting used to trading. Okay, and that takes patience, practice, okay, and dedication. Okay, avoid account management. Trade by yourself. Take responsibility. It is your money. Okay, don't give money to somebody else to take responsibility for you. Okay, yes, they might even be good traders, but if they blow their account, you will be it will bring a bad kind of blood between both of you. So take responsibility. Do not borrow money from family. Do not borrow money from loans to come and trade. Have money that probably, you know, if it gets lost, you're still okay. Okay, do not ruin your relationship with your family members by borrowing money. And then always trade silently and secretly. Trade silently. Deal with your situations alone. Okay, let people see your growth eventually. Okay, because there's a lot of psychology involved in trading. There's a lot. Okay, so if you feel that this is for you, go in, follow your intuition, follow your instincts, continue pushing on. You will come out clean. You will start making profits, guys. Okay, do not give up. Never give up. This is one of the ways you can employ yourself and start generating income full time. Okay, guys, so cheers. Let me end the video at that. See you on my next video.